freedom. Oh, oh, freedom. Oh, oh, freedom over me. And before I'll be a slave, I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my God and be free. Today, as we enter the 21st century, it's time to recognize the power of the Underground Railroad's brilliant legacy. The challenge of the National Underground Railroad Freedom Center is to give structure to the Underground Railroad's inspiring history and trumpet its lessons of courage, cooperation, and the triumph of freedom. It is time to honor the men and women, black and white, who risked and sometimes lost their lives in the attempt to obliterate slavery from our land, not because they loved blacks, but because they loved right. The National Underground Railroad Freedom Center will tell the definitive story of the Underground Railroad by honoring and celebrating those who risked all to break the oppressive chains of slavery in our country. Designed to be much more than a museum of the past, the Freedom Center will stand for the past and for current and for future generations as a connecting hub in the ongoing dialogue on reconciliation and our ongoing quest for freedom. It will use the stories of the Underground Railroad to inspire our nation and indeed the entire world to overcome the last vestiges of discrimination of all kinds, ageism, sexism, racism, and to foster a new era of human understanding. For many on the Underground Railroad, the lighted candle was a potent symbol for freedom. You can help keep freedom's flame alive yourself by helping to make the National Underground Railroad Freedom Center become a reality. Oh, oh, freedom. Oh, oh, freedom.